Welcome to the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering at Arizona State University. Our college houses the undergraduate and graduate degree programs for engineering, computer science, and a majority of the technology programs that are offered at ASU. This presentation will explore our manufacturing engineering program. ASU has 5 campuses that span the Phoenix metro area, and the Fulton Schools of Engineering are located on 2 of those, the Tempe campus and the Polytechnic campus. This specific program is located at the Polytechnic campus, but all our campuses are open to all students regardless of where their program is located. We offer a free inter-campus shuttle for our students so they can explore courses, student organizations, activities, and resources at any campus. The Fulton Schools of Engineering is our overarching engineering college for ASU. Underneath that umbrella, we have 6 different schools of engineering. The first 5 you see are located on the Tempe campus, and then the last one you'll see is located at the Poly campus in Mesa. Within the Fulton schools, we offer 25 undergraduate degree programs and 46 graduate programs. As you can see, that's between both campuses and online. Here at ASU, our housing is set up so that students live in their learning communities. And what that means is, as an engineering student, you'll live with other engineers. If your program's at the Polytechnic campus, then the majority of our freshmen live in Century Hall. If your program is at our Tempe campus, then those incoming freshmen, majority of those live in Tucker House. We see a lot of benefits to not only living on campus, but also living within that learning community. You're being able to build a lot of relationships outside the classroom, and being able to really create a strong support system. Students living with other students that are in their majors understand the course load, the homework load, and really almost have a built-in study buddy. Now, if you are a part of Barrett, the Honors College, those students have their own residential communities at both the Tempe campus and at the Polytechnic campus. Our Bachelor's of Science program in Manufacturing Engineering prepares our students to analyze, synthesize, and control manufacturing operations using statistical methods, collaborate across disciplines to design and build solutions to real-world problems. Our curriculum here at ASU is project-based, hands-on, teamwork-oriented, and delivered in outstanding fabrication facilities. We also include 8 project courses. Graduates of this program become key team members who create and implement processes for making such varied products as airplanes, toys, and surgical instruments. Here is a list of some career examples that students from our manufacturing engineer program go on to pursue after graduation.
Hi there, my name is Lee Nelson. I'm a 4th-year student here at ASU on the Polytechnic campus. I'm studying both mechanical systems engineering as well as manufacturing engineering. One of the greatest takeaways that I've found from the manufacturing program, at least, is a sense of design for manufacturing. Essentially, how can I design a product or design a system to be easily manufactured or easily produced on a prototype level for whatever project I may be working on. Additionally, I'm also involved with the SAE Baja team here on campus. It's a small group of students who design and fabricate a small off-road vehicle for competition each spring. The competition is held by the Society of Automotive Engineers and features schools from around the globe. I found it to be a great way to get some hands-on experience as well as learn more about applying some of the fundamentals you take away from the classroom.
If you would like to learn more about our programs offered through the Fulton Schools of Engineering, please go to the site listed for more information. There are also 2 email addresses provided. The first email will connect you with our recruitment team, and the second is a way for you to connect with the advisors in these programs. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to having you become a part of our Sun Devil community.